When we started Mom vs. Machine, I knew that our family was ready for a new family car, so I've been super excited to test out all these cars to see which one we would be taking with us. We chose the 2027 Kia Telluride EX-Line, and let me tell you why. I love that these door handles go in and out. When you have the key fob, they pop out. It's so sleek. Same with the mirrors. They're able to go in when I'm parking in the garage, which is super neat. The grille is awesome. She looks super sleek, boxy, bold. It is definitely giving Range Rover vibes. There is such great room back here with those third seats down. It has the top tethers in all three seating positions in that third row. We still have some good storage, some hidden extra storage back here as well. Another cool thing that I like about this is that the lift gate has a height measurement that you can adjust accordingly. So we have it a little bit shorter so that I don't scratch it in the garage. We went with the 7-passenger captain's chairs. There's so much good stuff packed into this, but more than anything, I love that there's space and my kids can get down to the third row super easy. So the Kia Telluride tells us it fits 3, I would say 3 small children, yes, and 2 adults fit back here. There's a ton of leg room. One of the things that I absolutely love is the digital key. So Kia has an app which has totally saved me. From the app, you can start your car, you can unlock it, you can change the climate settings. So the 2027 Kia Telluride EX-Line is checking all of the boxes for me in terms of safety, space, comfort, features, and honestly, it's just fun to drive. This is the car that we chose for our family vehicle, and if you're a mom looking for a new family-friendly car, this one is definitely worth a look.